Hey guys, welcome back. Today we try to understand the next building function, that is len for dictionaries. Now what len does is it is used to retrieve the total length of the dictionary. The total length means the number of items, which is the key value pairs both in the dictionary. The len methods returns the number of iterable items in the dictionary. So in Python dictionary, as we know, that it is a collection of item, yeah, which is in the form of key value pair, yeah, and it will count the entire key value pair that is available in the said dictionary. Let's show you the syntax first, and then we'll jump onto a quick example. So the syntax would be very simple: len, and then you specify the dictionary name within the parenthesis. Okay. Now, dic is nothing but the dictionary whose length you have to specify. Okay. Which has to be calculated. Okay. Let's understand a quick example by which will be, it's a very simple method or function. Quick example on len function for dictionary. Yeah. So I have this dictionary, A equals to A has the value as 1, B has the value as 2, and C, which is the key, has the value as 3. And I'm finding the length of my dictionary. Okay. So let's see what is the length of my dictionary. It is 3. Yes. So there are 3 key value pairs. So this is one pair, this is second pair, and this is third pair. So it gives the number of pairs available in the dictionary. Yeah. Now suppose you have nested dictionaries. Finding length of nested dictionaries. Yeah. So suppose I have this dictionary key 2 and we have this 4. I'll take this nested dictionaries which we have used earlier. Okay, here. This is the extended dictionary. Yeah. So I have this 3 nested dictionary. So I have this nested dictionary and we'll try to find out the length of this nested dictionary. So let's see what is the output. It should ideally give 3. You can see this. So it gives you the count of the outer dictionaries which are available. Yeah. So that's very important to understand. Now, if I have to find the length of the dictionary which is available for the key or outside key one which we have defined, then I have to specify it accordingly. So I have to say print x date, and then I have to give the key, that is O key 1. Yeah. So it will give me the length of the inside dictionary, which is 3 again. So let me put it 2. So you'll understand there is a difference between getting the length. Yeah. So the inside dictionary, which is available with key 2, is the length is 2. You can see there is one key value pair and this is the second key value pair. So this is how you can get length of dictionary first of all, and then if you have to get length of the dictionaries within the dictionary, those are nested dictionaries, then you can write the code this way by specifying the key for which you want to find the length. Now, if we take two or more inner dictionaries, we can see this is not the proper way to do it. The correct way is to add is instance. Yeah. So there is a method called is instance, which you can use along with len to check if the variable matches the specified data type or not. Now, here we are first storing the dictionary length in the variable I. Then we are iterating through all the values. How we'll do that? So let me use the same example. So I'm using this same dictionary. I'll say finding length of dictionary using is instance method. Yeah. So, so let me show you this way. So if I have to run this, see this, it is true. So is instance is giving me true. But how do you use it? That's more important. So let's do it in this way. Let me get the nested dictionary first because this was a simple example. So I have this nested dictionary. What I'll do is I'll create a variable called L, which will store the length of the dictionary. So my length of the dictionary is 3. We know that. Yes. We'll print the length of the dictionary. So this is length of my dictionary. Just for your reference, so that you understand how much, what was the length. Then we'll slowly reiterate through this values by using for loop. So I'll say for x in dict in x dict. Yeah. Then I'll say dict dot values. So what I'm doing is I'm fetching the values of the dictionary. Yeah, I do not want the length. And I will say if is instance x comma dict, that is the dictionary value that we are getting. If this is true, then L plus equals to, so we are increasing the length plus the x. Okay. And then we'll print the length of the nested dictionary, the entire dictionary. Okay. So what we are doing here is we are checking whether the value is a dictionary or not. Yeah. And using this for loop, what we are doing is we are iterating through the inner dictionary to find its length. Okay. So we have this outer dictionary, which was O key 1, 2, and 3. And to find the length of the inner dictionary, we are using this loop so that it finds the length of this dictionary. So let's quickly Sorry for the disturbance, guys. So let's run this particular code. So we can see the length of my dictionary was 3 and length of my nested dictionary is 10. Yeah. So it gives me the total dictionary length that I have. So it counts. So this is my first key value pair, that's 1. This is my second key value pair, that's 2. This is my third key value pair, which is 3. Then we go inside. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. Then we have 7, 8, 9, and then we have 10. Yeah. So this is how you actually count the length of your nested dictionaries. Yeah. So using the is instance. So this is the leverage that we are trying to get an entire view of the dictionary rather than finding out one dictionary at a time, because I have to give the inside key values which may keep on changing. So I cannot hard code it. So this is a workaround to it which you can use to find the length of a dictionary through with a is instance method. Yeah, because here in the above method, we used explicitly the key value to get the length of the inner dictionary. Here we do not have to specify explicitly the keys. Here automatically by reiterating through the loop and going through each item, it automatically gives you the dictionary values or the length of the dictionary. Hope I was able to make this concept clear about the finding length on dictionary. Hope you like this video. Hope you like the example and the concepts on this video. Do like, share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any views on this video so that our viewers can learn from it. Because ultimately this is a sharing channel and we do not charge for our learnings. So you're free to share. And do subscribe to my channel so that that's an inspiration for me to keep on making such kind of educational posts. And you also get it directly to your inbox by subscribing. Thank you so much.